Welcome back to the channel. I have a new power cube with space-saving design that allows you to expand one regular AC outlet into 3 outlets, 3 USB ports, and 1 USB Type-C port. Best of all, it can be mounted and out of the way if you want. This is from BestTech, and what's cool about this power cube is that you can mount it under your desk, on the side of your table, cabinet, or you can use it as it's just resting on a surface. I'll show you how that works in a minute. As I mentioned, there are 3 outlets, 1, 2, 3 USB ports, and a USB Type-C. And it's about a 5-foot long extension cord. Alright, so here's the user manual it came with. It's fairly thin, but if you need any help with anything, this will be available in there. It does come with screws, and it does come with its own adhesive so that you can potentially stick it to underneath your desk or nail it, screw it in somewhere. I'll show you how that works. So this bottom part right here has 2 places that you can push in. So you push it in and you can take it off. Now if you use the adhesive, you'd line it up with the appropriate circles wherever you want and stick it wherever you want it. And then the screws are fairly similar, where you line up the holes with wherever you want to screw it in and place it, and boom, there you go. An easy way to mount. So, putting it back in, here is a closer look at the cube itself. 3 large power outlets and your USBs up top. The manufacturer says that the USB-C port is not recommended for charging the MacBook and a few other devices, so check the link in the description section of the video for a complete listing of those devices. On the top you can see that there's the power buttons to make sure if you want to turn all of your stuff off, you can do that, or if you want to use everything on, have it powered, you can do that as well. There's only one switch, so you don't have to worry about, turning something off and everything messy with that. As you can see, it is small so that you don't have to worry about a long cord taking up room or an awkward placement, or when you do decide to mount it, it's not going to be in your way and it's easy to maneuver in place. Alright, so that is a look at the BestTech charging cube. Please make sure you check the description section below for more information. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.